Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Dreamina AI by CapCut to make a 2D cartoon from scratch with just a text prompt. First, visit Dreamina AI's official website, and if you don't have an account, sign up. It has free daily credits so you can try without paying. Once on the home page, look at the left navigation bar and choose Create. Next, on the lower left side of the prompt box, click on AI Agent and choose AI Video. Type in a detailed description of what you want. Include things like characters, setting, mood, and actions. For this example, we'll type a joyful cat playing the piano under a moonlit sky. Cartoon style, pastel colors. Then set your preferences. Select Video 3.0, choose an aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok or Reels. Then the duration of the video. After that, hit Generate. Dreamina will process your prompt and turn it into a short 2D animated clip. It may take a minute or two depending on complexity. When the video is ready, preview it. Finally, download your cartoon video, usually in MP4 format, and use or share it wherever you like. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.